So thought I'd do a little video, seeing as that a lot of people ask what it's like this beach. I'm currently at Dreams and Secrets Bahia Mita. It's a fairly newish hotel, but there's a lot of questions about what the beach is like, and I haven't seen any real videos on it, so I just have a walk around and show you what it's like. For me, you need to be wearing some sort of sea shoes. As you can see, it's pretty much rocky. There's a lot of seaweed. There's the odd occasional sandy piece. But as you can see, there's not a lot of people that actually are on the beach. I have actually been in the sea quite a lot. And there's boulders, sea urchins, obviously, because it is actually the sea. It's meant to be a surf hotel, all inclusive, but for some reason they don't have any surfboards. You have to pay a company $25 an hour to hire one, hence nobody with surfboards. There's a few over there, but they're the locals, they're always here. The surf at the minute, it's not very, well, it's not very big, is it? Yeah. Seaweed everywhere. Yeah, that's a lot of bricks hitting my feet. I'll put some footage of in the sea on the video so you can get an idea of what's actually in there. You can hire boogie boards and paddle boards from up there. They're free hire, but I don't know why they don't have surfboards. I suppose it's just another reason to charge you money on an all-inclusive. Delightful. It looks sandy around here, but then when you get closer up, it's worse than that side. It's just big rocks. Boulders everywhere. And then like, to clear it up, we just sweep it over here. So obviously that baking in the sun, yeah, flies galore. Beautiful. And that's it. I'll upload a few more videos of what I think of the place, because it's pretty disappointing, to be fair. Not what you would expect from a brand new 5-star hotel that claims ultimate luxury. It's the preferred club. So that's what you get with your extra money, the preferred club there, or you can just go sit in a better spot, in my opinion, for free. That's the Dreams Secrets Divide. Yeah, if you're in Dreams, don't expect to get into Secrets, because there's a board with your number of your room on there. Even though I've been up there, just walk in, nobody bothers you. I don't see the issue in paying the extra money when you can just go in anyway. Just go to that man, pretend you don't know your room number, say yeah, and then walk off. This is the Seaside Bar and Grill. So far in here, the food that has been served has been okay, it's been nice, but the service is terrible. You never get what you ask for. I don't think there's been one time where the meal's been correct, and they forget to bring you drinks all the time. You have to be really on the ball if you want to get a drink in here. Unless you're Mexican. It seems as if the Mexicans are treated better, to be fair. There's not a lot of English here, and there's not a lot of English speaking staff. Barefoot Grill. This is a nice place. Do good chips. Hot dogs, kebabs, corn dogs, burgers, pizzas. It's nice.
I think it means like fresh.
It's about one of the best places, to be fair. That's your secret side over there. You can hear the silly music that goes on all day long. All day long. They split it up occasionally with the odd karaoke American, which is it refreshing? I don't know. I'm gonna go back to the bed, a drink, see you it. And then back in the hotel. Just be careful when you're going up here, because when it changes from this concrete to the slate, it's very slippy. I've seen about 3 people fall at the knees already. And don't forget, like and subscribe.